Yeah, man, this outlet was terrible. Terrible. Just look, probably 20 years old at least. Plastic completely broken. We're gonna take this off and replace. Real straightforward. Real straightforward replacement on this. That's the new switch right there. Crimp the wire down on it before I tighten it up, and this is the most important part, which it didn't have, is tape on the around the switch. So yeah, cut this breaker back on, the long walk back, and bingo, we gotta make a living, man.